We need to know the ages of people in our dataset to make our histogram. You can see that while we don't have an age field, we do have birth year and death year. Click the down arrow to create a new calculated field and call it age. Because we've given our year fields the date data type, we need to use a date-specific function to calculate the difference between them. We've already seen, when using replace, that Tableau gives us hints on how to use functions, but we can also access a full list of available functions using this arrow. Selecting date from the drop-down shows us date-specific functions, along with explanations of what each one does and a usage example. Looking at datediff, we see this is the one we want. Where the example shows an exact date, we can enter the name of a field and Tableau will perform the calculation row by row. If we double-click on the function name, it appears in our calculation, and all we need to do now is add the arguments. We want year as our date part and birth year as our start date. Notice that a drop-down appears when a field name is recognised, and when you select it, it automatically places square brackets around the name. For the end date, we'll select 1 year after the latest production date in our dataset, 2022. Even though we're only interested in the year difference, we need to put a month and a date too. So we'll use 1st of January. Remember to add the closing hash symbol. Finally, arguments in square brackets, like start of week, are optional and not needed in this case. Click OK, and we have a new age field created.